Welcome to Graham Engineering's Open Evening, which includes laser processing, robotics and our state-of-the-art Courier Fox milling machine. Our Bistronic Bisaw 10 kW laser is capable of cutting 1mm stainless steel at up to 70 meters per minute. Courier Fox bridge-type bed milling machine. Our Courier Fox bridge-type bed mill has a workable area of 8 meters by 3.75 meters. The machine runs on Header 9640 touchscreen control, which fully integrates with SolidWorks CAM, and the machine is also fitted with an FP69 Renishaw probe for component inspection before removal from the machine. Robotic TIG welding cell. All of our 3 robotic laser welding cells are 10 kilowatts and are capable of welding 16mm duplex and stainless steel in a single pass. Our new Creaform Metroscan 3D optical scanner gives us the ability to inspect large objects of up to 6 meters. It's capable of 1.8 million measures per second and accurate to 25 microns. If you found our educational video interesting today, do not hesitate to contact our sales department on 01282 695 121 or email sales@graham-eng.co.uk. Many thanks and hope to hear from you soon.